Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are about to head to Costco. So this video is going to be a Costco haul and I think it's going to be a big one. So we love Costco. We shop there pretty frequently to stock up on like certain things that we love, and I've done Costco hauls here on my channel. This one is a little bit different just because this is like our pre-baby haul, like basically stocking up on a ton of stuff. So I'm like 38 weeks along, so baby is gonna be here soon. So basically I wanted to go to not only stock up like on our favorites that we purchased there anyway, because like who knows when we're gonna be able to get back to Costco, and then also wanted to stock up on some like especially on little snacks and just like easy stuff that's like just really simple to grab, healthy stuff that we can have like in the house stocked up, so that when we are in like the throes of newborn hood and new parenthood, we have just like lots of stuff that we can grab that's healthy, as far as like little snacks goes. So that is what we're gonna be getting in today's haul. We're gonna head there now, and then I will show you everything, like the whole roundup, everything that we got that we're getting when we get back. What do you think about the pre-baby Costco haul?
I think it's a great idea. I think we should get a lot of things and probably not eat half of them. We'll store them and forget about them. It's a great idea. It's good in theory.
No, we're gonna eat it all. It's not gonna go to waste.
Okay, good. I'm glad that we're optimistic about eating all the food we're gonna buy. That's good.
Whatever.
Hopefully we don't buy spinach, because that never gets eaten.
That's not true.
Maybe like one helping. That thing's loaded. I always throw them out. They're huge. Alright.
I eat my greens, guys. Hey guys, so I am now back from Costco and I'm gonna share with you everything that I got. This was definitely our biggest Costco haul to date. We love Costco, but we just don't buy a ton of stuff there. I think once our family is bigger and we have more mouths to feed, we'll rely on Costco even more than we do now. But just as the two of us, buying a lot of stuff in bulk doesn't really make sense. So this is definitely the biggest haul we have ever done. It's not anything too crazy, but let's get started. Okay, picked up a bag of frozen berries. I have been drinking a lot of smoothies while pregnant, and I feel like that will probably continue into postpartum. It's also just really easy to drink smoothies with like, it's like a nice one-hand meal, snack, whatever. Not meal, I wouldn't have that as meal, but so I decided to get a big bag of berries from there because they're organic and you just like cannot beat the price. Okay, and then I also picked up 2 giant jugs of organic maple syrup. We do not, I mean, we go through this actually pretty quickly. I use this a lot in baking, and I plan on having, I've already started doing it, but like baking a lot of like little muffins and like lactation cookies and things like that in advance to freeze. So I have that stuff on hand, and so I wanted to make sure that I was like fully stocked on maple syrup, because who knows the next time we will get back to Costco, and it's just such a good price there, so I got a lot of that. Okay, we also got some Kodiak cakes. We actually got 2 boxes. There's another box back here. Matt and I love Kodiak Cakes. It's basically like pancake waffle mix, but it has protein in it as well, and the ingredients are pretty good. So I don't know if this is, I think this is a little bit different than the one that we typically get, but this is just what they had, so we got it. But yeah, so I really like Kodiak Cakes. We go through them really quickly. And then this is also another thing that is easy to make like muffins and stuff out of, like really quickly and easily. So I figured it would be good for that too, but we like making pancakes sometimes, so we have it like for that reason as well. But that's why I picked up 2 boxes, because we might go through it faster than normal if I'm baking a lot, and then also who knows when we'll get back there next. Okay, this is super random, but stocked up on parchment paper. I use this all the time for cooking and baking, and we were out, so I just wanted to stock up on it there because we go through it pretty quickly. Okay, also got 2 bags of trail mix. So this one has, let's see, walnuts, it has almonds, pecans, pistachios, and cranberries, I think, yeah. And then, so I love trail mix anytime, but I feel like this is such a good snack to have on hand for like when you're breastfeeding and starving, because it's really easy to eat and it's also very filling. And I love trail mix. And then also kind of along with that, I got a giant bag of chocolate chips. Because I knew, well, first off, I like adding chocolate chips to trail mix that doesn't already have it, because I'm the kind of girl who just loves chocolate in her trail mix. So that was one of the reasons I decided to just go ahead and get this giant bag. But then also, like I said, for baking, making little muffins or cookies for easy snacks for when baby is here, also to maybe support lactation. I don't know if I add something to them. So that's another reason why I got this giant bag. Okay, and then I got a bunch of different bars, and I'm actually really excited to try all of these. So these first ones are by Pure Organic, and they are layered fruit bars. I feel like these are going to be kind of like That's It bars, I don't know, that's kind of what I'm guessing. They have more ingredients than That's It bars, because That's It bars is literally just 2 fruits. But I love those as an easy snack, and I feel like these will just be really good to have on hand for after baby's here, but also I'm definitely going to pack a few of these for during labor, because I feel like this is something that's so easy to eat. It's light, but it's also like kind of rich in sugar, good sugar, it's from fruit, but just to kind of give me a boost. So I feel like that will be really good to bring for that as well. So the flavors are pineapple, passion fruit, and strawberry banana. Okay, and then I also got these Kind protein bars. The ingredients are alright, to be honest, but they're just a little bit different than regular Kind bars, and they have more protein, which is why I decided to give them a try, but I've never had these before. And then these are also totally new as well. I've never tried these. The brand is Autumn's Gold, and they are grain-free granola bars, and the ingredients on these look awesome. So I'm really excited about these. It's just kind of like a granola and nut bar. And yeah, I feel like either one could be kind of good for middle of the night snacks, easy to grab, or any time of day, so more bars. We also picked up this big box of raisins, mainly because we eat a lot of raisins for like an oatmeal and stuff like that. We go through raisins pretty quickly, but I like that these are organic. I can never find them organic in our grocery stores near us, so when I saw this, I was like, yes, we're going to stock up. So there is like 4 pounds of raisins in here, so that's a lot. That will last us a while. Picked up a bottle of my favorite avocado oil. I love getting this from Costco because it's a huge bottle. The price is so good, and I use this the most for cooking, more than I even use olive oil, basically because it has such a high smoke point. So for sauteing or roasting at like high heats in the oven, this is such a good oil to use for that. And it's like cold pressed, it's such a good one, and I just love this brand, so I always stock up on this when I'm at Costco. We already have like a full bottle, but again, don't know when we're gonna get back there, so I wanted to make sure I had a backup. Also picked up this big giant bag of popcorn. It's the Skinny Pop. It's just like their sea salt regular popcorn. I feel like this is just good just to snack on, like to have available, you know, once the baby's here. But also this could be good to like pack a couple little bags of it to take for when I'm in labor, like if Matt wants it or something like that, I don't know. So just wanted to stock up. I love popcorn. Okay, kind of continuing with the snack theme here, I also got this big box of crackers. I love these crackers. I haven't bought them in so long. I used to get these all the time from Costco like a year ago or even more. I don't know why I stopped buying them, because they are seriously so good. Actually, I think I stopped buying them because it was just like I was eating them like way too much, and I was just like, maybe I'll like lay off of those for a little while. But they're seriously so good. They're like sweet and salty because they're sweet potato crackers, which sounds kind of weird, but they are so good, and the ingredients are amazing. I just love these, so just good to have for snacking. I love having cheese and crackers, so this is just had to stock up. I also, speaking of salty snacks, got this big box of variety snacking nuts. It's peanuts, almonds, and cashews. They come in like little like grab snack bags, but they're all salted, which I wanted because I feel like so many healthy just like grab and go snacks that are just like real whole food based are usually always sweet, and I can really easily get sick of like lots and lots of sweet snacks. So I wanted to kind of balance it out and have options. Something, again, that I can grab. I could literally like pour this bag in my mouth. Like I can eat it with one hand if I've got a baby in the other hand or arm. And it's salty, which really, sometimes you just really need salty snacks too, because sweet snacks can get old real fast. This is also kind of random, but we were out, and so we just decided to get the big one from Costco because we use it so much anyway. And it is basically just garlic powder, granulated California garlic, but essentially garlic powder. So just got a big guy. Picked up a big jar of almond butter. I mean, sometimes I use almond butter in like oatmeal or on toast or whatever, but I also mainly got this again because, like I was saying, I plan on doing and continue to do a lot of baking, and even like when the baby's here, like I'm sure my mom would be happy to come over and throw some muffins in the oven so I can freeze them and stuff like that. So most of like the healthier recipes that I love to use, like whole food based baking recipes, typically always need some kind of nut butter. So I kind of just got this giant jar for that reason. So got a lot of that now. Okay, then we got not one, not two, but three. I can't hold all three in my hands. Giant jars of peanut butter. This is just the organic creamy peanut butter. It's the ingredients, I'm pretty sure, are just, let's see, dry roasted organic peanuts and sea salt. Love that. We go through peanut butter so fast in this house. Matt eats a ton of peanut butter. I love peanut butter. And we typically always buy more than one when we go to Costco anyway, but we decided to go for 3 this time. So we now have 6 giant jars of peanut butter. And honestly, like I doubt that will even last that long. And not super exciting, but we did get some trash bags because I like getting them from Costco because the price is good, and who knows when we'll get back there, so I figured we would stock up now. And then we also picked up a big thing of paper towels and toilet paper, which I think are already upstairs, and I'm not gonna carry them down. You guys know what that looks like. It's not very exciting. But again, just in the spirit of stocking up and having like everything that we need so we don't have to be running out to the store as much as possible. That's what we're trying to go for here. So that is pretty much the reason for this giant haul today. And that's everything that we picked up. I think all in all we spent, I think it was like $311 or 10, something like that. It was like a little over $300, so kind of a lot, but we also got a ton of stuff. A lot of it is organic, and it will all definitely come in handy while we're in the throes of parenthood and learning how to take care of a child, and eating, especially healthy eating, might be like the last thing that's on our mind. So I feel good that we have this now. This is like one last thing to check off the list to nest and just get ready and just, you know, have our house ready to roll, to hunker down essentially. Alright, but that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, I would absolutely love for you to. And also, not super exciting, but we did get some trash bags because I like getting them from Costco because the price is good, and who knows when we'll get back there, so I figured we would stock up now. And then we also picked up a big thing of paper towels and toilet paper, which I think are already upstairs, and I'm not going to carry them down. You guys know what that looks like. It's not very exciting. But again, just in the spirit of stocking up and having like everything that we need so we don't have to be running out to the store as much as possible. That's what we're trying to go for here. So that is pretty much the reason for this giant haul today. And that's everything that we picked up. I think all in all we spent, I think it was like $311